Hello guys, I'm Ramtin. In this video, I'm going to start a Python programming tutorial. First, in your browser, search for python.org. In the main page of the Python website, you can see different parts like jobs, documents, download, news, events, and other things. But we're not dealing with that. So in the navigation bar, hover downloads, and here as you see we have a button. This is a generated link of latest Python version for your operating system. It means when I click this, it will download Python installer for Windows. Except that you have other things here like Python source code, or download Python for the operating system you want. So this button is enough to download Python.
A few moments later.
Okay, I downloaded Python 3.9.6, the latest version of Python. So just double click it and Python installer for Windows will open. You have two main options here: direct installation and customized installation. But before that, make sure that you check this. It will add Python to system path. If you like to decide what you want to install and where you want to install, choose customized installation. For example, here you can choose documentation to install or not to install, or Python package manager, or select the install location. But I don't need that. The direct installation is enough.
2 hours later.
Okay, now Python is successfully installed on my Windows. To check Python, the first way is to search IDLE in the start menu. And actually, this app is a windowed Python shell. It means you can write your commands and run them real time, like print hello world, and it printed it. Another way is that to open command prompt or terminal depending on your operating system, and write Python and press enter. Here you can see the Python shell in your terminal or command prompt, and you can run your commands here too, like print hello world. To exit Python shell, you just need to use exit function or quit function, no difference. And py command is also working to open Python shell. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Visual Studio Code for Python programming. If you want more videos, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, just like, and if you have any questions, comment it. Until the next video, goodbye.